Good morning. In this session of network security paper, we shall study AES, Advanced Encryption Standard. In the previous classes, we have studied DES and 3DES, triple DES. Okay, when DES was developed, it was highly secured at that time. It was using 64 bits plain text. Okay, but after some time, with the enhancement in the computer technology, computer became faster. So the DES was very much vulnerable to be broken by the adversaries. So, and actually it was broken down in 1998, first of all. So after DES, 3DES, triple DES was adopted. It was little bit more secure than DES, but it was very time consuming, because as we know, in 3DES, DES is repeated 3 times. 3DES में DES algorithm 3 बार चलता है, 3 times, 2 times encryption and 1 time decryption. तो क्या हुआ, जैसे इसमें DES में क्या होता है, 16 राउंड्स होते हैं, इसमें कितना हो जाएगा इन टोटल 48 राउंड्स. So this triple DES was not very much effective, very much productive. Of course it was little bit more secure than DES, but it was not effective because this algorithm was taking too much time to secure the data. So some brand new, some advanced technology was required for security of data during transmission. So what happened here, DES was developed by NIST, National Institute of Standards and Technology. DES was developed by, proposed by NIST, National Institute of Standards and Technology. So what NIST did this time, that it didn't develop its own algorithm. Rather, NIST announced a contest. क्या किया NIST ने? A contest announce किया world level पर, and people were invited to propose their algorithms, and also people were invited to break those algorithms proposed by the competitors. Right? One new thing was here, that in DES was not very much documented. Very much documented. DES बहुत अच्छे से documented नहीं था. जैसे उसमें हम लोग S box, substitution box देखते हैं, ये S box कहाँ से आता है ये पता नहीं चलता किसी को. तो NIST ने कंडीशन यहाँ ये रखा कि जो भी अपना प्रपोजल देगा नए एल्गोरिदम का फॉर बेटर सिक्योरिटी, तो उसमें एक कंडीशन डाल दिया क्या, कि जो एल्गोरिदम आप दोगे दैट शुड बी, दैट मस्ट बी वेल डॉक्यूमेंटेड, ओनली देन द कंपिटिटर्स वुड बी अलाउड. दिस वाज प्रपोज्ड इन 1997. दिस कॉन्टेस्ट वाज कॉल्ड इन 1997. काफी समय तक चला था ये. इन फर्स्ट राउंड, after the completion of first round, 15 competitors were selected. 15 competitors को select किया गया, उनके proposals को accept किया गया. And from amongst these 15 competitors, what happened? 10 were broken down by people. 10 इसमें से असफल हो गए, उसको लोगों ने break कर दिया, intercept कर लिया. Only 5 after the end of second round, only 5 were accepted. अब नाम बता देते क्या क्या था. ये 5 था, एक मार्स RC6, 2 fish serpent, and there was Indian. Only these 5 after the end of second round, only these 5 were accepted. People were again invited to break these algorithms, and people were successful in breaking these 4. Nobody could break this Rindel. Okay, so this was accepted, this was properly documented, and this was accepted, and NIST standardized this Rindel algorithm in 2001. 2001 में NIST ने इसको स्टैंडर्डाइज कर दिया. So this name RINJDAEL, Rindel, is pronounced as Rindel. Who proposed this? Actually, there were 2 Bulgarian scientists, Dr. Zuan Diemen and Dr. Vincent Riesman. So from this name has been derived, Rindel, and it was found to be very much resistive to the attack, and it is widely popular today. So now we start studying AES. This Rindel algorithm is known as AES. Rindel algorithm was named as AES, Advanced Encryption Standard. DS का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? डेटा एंक्रिप्शन स्टैंडर्ड. इसका फुल फॉर्म क्या है? एडवांस्ड एंक्रिप्शन स्टैंडर्ड. सो इसमें क्या हुआ कि we take the plain text. DES was of 64-bit plain text. In DS, the plain text size was 64-bit. In DES, now it is doubled, 128 bits plain text in case of AES. Okay. The size of plain text is 128 bits in case of AES. So what happens here? AES algorithm, meaning Rindel algorithm, into which the plain text of 128 bits maps, and the output is again 128 bits ciphertext. Are we clear? In AES, what happens? The plain text is of size 128 bits. Fine. Now it enters into AES algorithm, and after the completion of the algorithm, it produces 128-bit sized ciphertext. Now it uses a secret key. It uses a secret key. What is the size of the secret key? Secret key was taken here as, size of the secret key was taken here as 128 bits, another 160, 192, 224 and 256. इधर जा रहा है जी फोकस. 128, bits, another one 168 bit, 192 bit, 224, 256. So what would be the size of the key? It depends on how much round the algorithm has to undertake. यानी बिट साइज क्या होगा वो किस पर डिपेंड कर रहा है, कितने राउंड्स में हमको एईएस एल्गोरिथम को एग्जीक्यूट करना है. इज इट क्लियर? या उसको रिवर्सिवली कहे तो नंबर ऑफ राउंड्स पर कौन सा बिट साइज होगा वो डिपेंड करता है. यानी इन हमारे प्रचलन में इन प्रैक्टिस देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ एईएस. इट इज ऑप्शनल. देयर आर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ एईएस if the key size is 128 bits. Another one is 192 bits. And the third one is 256 bits. Okay. So if key size is 128 bits, then there will be total number of rounds 10. Number of rounds will be 10. If the key size is 192, then the size would be number of rounds would be 12. And if this is the bit size 256, then total number of rounds would be 14. Okay. So if our algorithm, AES algorithm, takes 10 rounds, जैसे डीएस में राउंड्स होता है उसी तरह से यहाँ भी अगर 10 राउंड्स है, इन दैट केस की साइज क्या लेना होगा 128 बिट्स. और अगर 12 राउंड्स में करना है तो व्हाट वुड बी द की साइज 192. एंड फॉर 14 राउंड्स द साइज वुड बी 256. नाउ यू कैन वेल अंडरस्टैंड दिस टेक्स 10 राउंड्स, दिस 12 एंड दिस इज 14. इट मीन्स दिस इज 11 एंड दिस इज 13. So these two are not considered. Now the question is, so this is known as AES 128. This is known as AES 192, and this is known as AES 256. So we have 3 types of AES. 3 तरह के AES हैं. अब क्वेश्चन ये उठता है कि विच वन वुड बी ऑप्ट, हम किसको सेलेक्ट करें. तो यहाँ एक बात ये है कि जैसे जैसे नंबर ऑफ राउंड्स बढ़ाएंगे, ऑफ कोर्स द कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी वुड इंक्रीज. विद द इंक्रीज इन नंबर ऑफ राउंड्स व्हाट वुड हैपन, द कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑफ एल्गोरिथम वुड इंक्रीज, लीडिंग टू कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी टू द एडवर्सरीज, क्रिप्टोनालिस्ट. सो इट इज बेटर फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी. उस हिसाब से 14 राउंड्स वाला ये ज़्यादा बेहतर है, बिकॉज द साइज ऑफ द बिट स्पेस ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेस. बट व्हाट हैपन्स एज द नंबर ऑफ राउंड्स इंक्रीजेस, इट टेक्स मोर एंड मोर टाइम. सो मोस्ट पॉपुलरली दिस इज द एक्सेप्टेबल साइज. ऑफ कोर्स दीज आर ऑल्सो आर यूज्ड, बट दिस वन इज मोस्ट पॉपुलर 128 bits, because if our AES algorithm can provide the same level of security as these, then why not AES 128? So there is no need to increase the number of rounds. So this is most effective. So now in detail we shall study AES. So the plain text size is 128 bits. Okay. Here block size is also 128 bits. Here is one difference with DES. What is the difference? In DES, what we have seen, the plain text block is divided into 2 equal halves. Okay. Each of 32 bits. This is 64 bits. But this doesn't happen in the case of AES. Here 128 bits size is plain text is not divided into 2 halves, rather The input, these bits are arranged in an array of 4 into 4 matrix, 4 into 4 table. So the plain text is not divided. Now the key size is also 128 bits. Total number of rounds we have taken AES 128, so therefore the total number of rounds would be 10. Number of sub keys. Each round, another difference with DS is that here each round of AES requires 4 keys, 4 sub keys. So 44 sub keys. Now you might have a question in your mind that why, if there are in total there are 10 rounds, each round needs 4 keys, then why this is 4? Okay. See, this is the total number of rounds consisting of, this consists of 10 rounds, each round requiring 4 keys. So before entering into this, AES performs here pre-calculation, pre-round calculation, and that requires 4 sub keys. Okay. So here what happens, for 10 rounds we have 4 sub keys. So 10 into 4, 40, and this 4 makes it 44. I think it should be clear. In total we have 10 rounds. Each round needs 4 sub keys. That I have written. Each round needs 4 sub keys. 4 sub keys. So therefore 10 into 4, 40, and pre-round calculation which is nothing but add round key, that is XOR operation. It needs 4 sub keys. So this 40 plus this 4 equal to 44. So from where these 44 sub keys are derived, from this 128 bits, we can well understand it by this, that key size is 128 bit. Okay. Now it consists of 4 words. 4 words means one word is equal to 32 bits. Okay. So one word is of 32 bits. So this is divided into words, and one sub key is 4 words. This is equal to 16 bytes. 128 is equal to 16 bytes. Okay, 4 words means कितना हो गया 8 चौक 32, तो कितना बाइट होगा इसमें 4 bytes. 4 words. तो सॉरी 1 word. ठीक है, तो ये होगा 4 bytes. 1 sub key is equal to 1 word, that is equal to 4 bytes. So this is the basic concept for AES. Now in detail we have to understand further. ठीक है.